Louisiana is globally recognized as a hub for advanced chemical manufacturing. The $8 billion industry has seen impressive growth over the past 5 decades and is now the #1 producer of manufacturing jobs in Louisiana, employing over 29,000 highly skilled people. According to the Louisiana Chemical Association, 1 in every 7 jobs in Louisiana can be traced back to the chemical industry. Louisiana offers unparalleled logistics for the industry. It is the home of the Henry Hub gas pricing point and has more than 62,000 miles of natural gas pipelines, 6 interstate highways, 6 Class 1 railroads with 2,700 miles of track, 6 deep-water ports with 250 miles of deep-water channels. Other strategic advantages in Louisiana are low-cost electricity and natural gas, abundant underground storage caverns, pipeline supplies of feedstock, and the state's abundance of talent, process technology education, and workforce training infrastructure. Recognized for its innovation, effectiveness, flexibility, and efficiency, LED Fast Start is the nation's best state workforce training program. LED Fast Start provides customized employee recruitment, screening, training development, and training delivery for eligible, new, or expanding companies, all at no cost. Higher education leaders collaborate with the Louisiana Economic Development Team to ensure availability of a trained workforce starting in high school. Capitalizing on the favorable business climate, aggressive tax incentives, and overall low cost of doing business in Louisiana, manufacturers have built a viable and prosperous industry based on good chemistry. For more information on Louisiana's incentives and resources, go to OpportunityLouisiana.com.